So a lot of people believe that there's no shortcut to success. It is largely true, but I want to share how you can accelerate yourself towards your success. They say that to master a skill, you need about 10,000 hours. So if you add up all of that hours, you will need about 10 years to become a master in one skill. So how many skills per your lifespan can you master? Or how many things you can be good at in your lifespan? Very few. Does it mean that you will be very limited in achieving your success? Not really. That's where I want to kind of share it's not a secret, but a lot of people don't know how you can borrow someone else's success. It means you don't need to know all the answers or do it all yourself. DIY is good if you are painting a fence. But when it comes to your personal success and the amount of time you have in your lifespan is going to take you a long time if you do it all by yourself. What you can do is, if you know the area you want to excel in, find a person who you can approach and ask to mentor you. And generally, those people are very keen to share the experience because they've done it. And they live life of legacy. For them, it is about passing on or mentoring someone so they can teach others to do the same thing. And they will be very grateful again for the opportunity as well. That's where Ronovationz comes in. It is a mentoring hub where you get qualified mentors who can share their experience and enable you to achieve that success. So that's how you borrow their success.